Hey guys, so in this video, let's have a quick look at what we will cover in this entire course. So first of all, we have divided this entire course into two sections. The first section will be theory section. We're going to look into some theory lessons, why you run Facebook ads, how Facebook ads work, what you need, stuff like that. And then we're going to go to the technical part where we will actually start implementing the stuff we discussed in the previous one. So let's get started. What we will cover in theory. So why advertise on Facebook? You need to know why advertise on Facebook. Why choose Facebook if you have multiple options like Google, TikTok, LinkedIn, and stuff like that? Why choose Facebook over all of them? How does Facebook ads really work? That's also really important to know. If you want to maximize the outcome from Facebook ads campaign, you need to know how they really work. So you can, number one, you can maximize the potential. Number two, you can stay compliant. Examples of Facebook ad campaigns that are successful. So we'll look into some example campaigns that I've run in the past. What do you need to start running ads today? So those are the four things we will learn in theory. In practical, we will learn how to create a Facebook page. So that's fairly easy, but we will go through some stuff that you need to make sure you have implemented in the Facebook page in order to run or before running Facebook ads in through that page. How to create a Facebook business manager and ads manager. So that's part of the implementation. You need to have a business manager. You need to have your ads manager to run a proper Facebook ad campaign instead of boosting your post. There's a difference, but we will discuss that later. How to create ad creatives for your clinic. So how to write ad copies, how to create the images that best convert. So we are going to look into stuff like that. Then how to create your ad campaign. Finally, we're going to look at how to implement that entire campaign. So that's the practical part or the technical part that falls into that. So we'll look into all those. Now let's move to the next lesson.